Welcome to Money Magnet. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of starting your own fitness coaching business. Whether you're a certified trainer or passionate about fitness, this guide will help you turn your expertise into a successful side hustle. Step 1. Assess your qualifications and expertise. Begin by evaluating your qualifications, such as certifications in personal training or nutrition. Highlight any specialized knowledge or experience you have in fitness that sets you apart from others. Step 2. Define your niche and target audience. Identify your niche within the fitness industry, whether it's weight loss, strength training, yoga, or sport-specific training. Understanding your target audience will guide your services and marketing efforts effectively. Step 3. Develop your coaching services. Outline the services you'll offer, from one-on-one training to online coaching programs or nutritional guidance. Define your pricing structure and packages to meet the needs of your clients. Step 4. Create a brand and online presence. Build a strong brand identity that reflects your coaching philosophy and values. Establish an online presence through a professional website and social media profiles to attract potential clients. Step 5. Market your services. Promote your coaching services through social media platforms, fitness forums, and local community events. Consider offering free workshops or trial sessions to showcase your expertise and attract new clients. Step 6. Conduct consultations and assessments. Connect with potential clients through initial consultations to understand their goals and health history. Perform fitness assessments to tailor personalized workout plans that align with their fitness objectives. Step 7. Deliver high-quality coaching sessions. Motivate and educate clients on proper exercise techniques, nutrition guidelines, and lifestyle habits during coaching sessions. Offer constructive feedback and encouragement to help clients achieve their fitness goals. Step 8. Continuously educate yourself. Stay updated with the latest fitness trends and certifications to enhance your coaching skills and credibility. Attend workshops or online courses to expand your knowledge base and provide value to your clients. Step 9. Obtain feedback and referrals. Request feedback from clients to improve your coaching services and address any concerns promptly. Encourage satisfied clients to provide testimonials or refer your services to others, which can help grow your client base. Step 10. Manage your business efficiently. Utilize fitness tracking software or apps to manage client appointments, payments, and progress effectively. Maintain professional relationships with clients through regular communication and personalized coaching plans. Starting a fitness coaching business can be a rewarding journey. Follow these steps to establish yourself as a successful fitness coach and help others achieve their fitness goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on building your fitness coaching career. If you are a beginner to start a side hustle job, don't worry, I got you. Watch this video.